Welcome to this video on how to achieve financial freedom in life. Financial freedom is one of the most desired goals for people around the world. It simply means having enough money to live life on your own terms. It does not mean being a millionaire, but being free from money stress. Anyone can achieve financial freedom with the right mindset and plan. Today, I will share step-by-step ways that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you will have a clear financial freedom roadmap. Let's begin the journey together and unlock your money potential. Understanding financial freedom. Financial freedom is about controlling your money instead of money controlling you. It means you are not living paycheck to paycheck anymore. You have savings to cover emergencies and investments for your future. You don't have to rely on loans or credit cards for basic needs. It gives you freedom of choice, to work when you want and live how you want. True freedom comes from financial security, not just high income. Even people with average income can reach financial freedom with discipline. The earlier you start, the faster you can achieve lasting financial independence. Know your current financial situation. Before achieving financial freedom, you must know your starting point. Write down your total income and how much you spend monthly. Track every single expense to see hidden money leaks. Calculate your debts, loans, and interest rates. Find out how much money you are saving each month. Awareness helps you see if you are moving forward or backward. Many people underestimate their spending and overspend without realizing. Use free apps or even a notebook to track your money habits daily. Set clear financial goals. Without goals, financial freedom will feel like a dream. Decide what financial freedom means for you personally. Do you want early retirement, travel, or a dream house? Write down both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals may include paying off credit card debt. Long-term goals may include building wealth or a retirement fund. Make goals specific, measurable, and realistic. A clear goal keeps you motivated when challenges come your way. Always remind yourself why financial freedom matters to you. Create a realistic budget. A budget is a money plan that guides your spending. Write down your income and allocate it into categories. Follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Needs include rent, food, bills, and transportation. Wants include entertainment, shopping, and dining out. Savings include emergency funds, investments, and retirement accounts. Review your budget monthly to track your progress. If income increases, adjust your budget wisely instead of overspending. A realistic budget ensures your money works for you, not against you. Get rid of debt. Debt is a heavy chain that slows your path to financial freedom. Start by listing all debts from highest to lowest interest rate. Focus on paying high-interest debts like credit cards first. Use the snowball method for motivation. Pay small debts first, then move bigger. Cut down on unnecessary credit card use to avoid adding more debt. Refinance loans if possible to reduce interest rates. Avoid taking new loans unless absolutely necessary. Celebrate each milestone when a debt is paid off. Once debt is gone, you free up more money to save and invest. Life below your means. Many people increase spending as soon as their income rises. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it blocks financial freedom. Learn to spend less than you earn, no matter your salary. Cut back on luxury items you don't really need. Cook at home instead of eating out every day. Cancel unused subscriptions and services. Buy used or discounted items instead of always going for new. Practice minimalism. Focus on what brings real value to your life. Living below your means speeds up your journey to freedom. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net for unexpected events. It saves you from using credit cards during emergencies. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep this money in a separate savings account. Do not touch this money unless it's a true emergency. Start small if needed. Even $500 is a great beginning. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and security. It helps you stay on track with long-term financial goals. Invest for the future. Saving money is good, but investing grows your wealth faster. Start small but start early. The power of compounding is magic. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs for safety and growth. Use retirement accounts like 401k, Roth IRA, or traditional IRA. Automate your investments so money grows without effort. Learn the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Stay invested long-term instead of chasing quick profits. Investment is the main road toward true financial freedom. Build multiple sources of income. Depending only on one income source is risky in today's world. Look for side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, or selling online. Explore digital businesses like blogging, YouTube, or e-commerce. Build passive income from dividends, rentals, or royalties. Use your skills to start small businesses on the side. Multiple incomes give you financial security even if one fails. The extra money can go directly into savings and investments. Over time, side incomes can even replace your main job. Financial freedom comes faster when money flows from many directions. Stay disciplined and consistent. Financial freedom takes years of discipline and effort. Avoid unnecessary spending even when tempted. Stick to your budget even during holidays or celebrations. Stay patient when results feel slow. It's a long journey. Focus on small daily habits that create long-term success. Avoid comparing yourself with others. They have different journeys. Build self-control over impulse buying and emotional spending. Track your progress to stay motivated. Consistency is the secret weapon of financial success. Improve your financial knowledge. Money skills are not taught enough in schools, so you must learn them. Read personal finance books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Listen to financial podcasts and watch YouTube channels. Learn about taxes, budgeting, and investing strategies. Follow experts who teach simple and proven methods. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. They usually don't work. Keep updating your knowledge as financial systems change. Share your learning with family so everyone benefits. Knowledge gives you the power to make smart financial choices. Improve your financial knowledge. Keep learning about money and investments. Read personal finance books and blogs. Listen to podcasts and watch YouTube channels. Stay updated on taxes, savings, and investment changes. Avoid scams and get-rich-quick schemes. Financial education is lifelong and powerful. Protect your wealth with insurance. Financial freedom is not just about making money but protecting it. Health insurance saves you from medical debt. Life insurance protects your family in emergencies. Disability insurance secures income if you can't work. Property insurance protects homes and cars. Insurance is financial protection for your freedom. Plan for retirement. Early retirement may feel far away, but planning early is key. Use retirement accounts like 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matches if available. Increase retirement savings as income grows. Think about where and how you want to retire. The earlier you plan, the more relaxed your future will be. Surround yourself with financially wise people. The people you spend time with affect your money habits. Avoid negative influences who encourage overspending. Learn from people who are smart with money. Join communities focused on saving and investing. Share knowledge with like-minded friends. Positive financial habits grow in the right circle. Benefits of financial freedom. Financial freedom gives you peace of mind about money. You can retire early or choose meaningful work instead of forced work. You spend more quality time with family and friends. You can travel and explore the world without financial stress. You build security for your children and future generations. You enjoy freedom of time, which is more valuable than money. It allows you to give back through charity and social work. Financial freedom is about freedom of choice, not just money. Financial freedom is not a dream, it is possible for everyone. Start today by tracking your money and setting clear goals. Create a budget that matches your income and lifestyle. Get rid of debt and avoid creating new ones. Live below your means and save consistently. Build an emergency fund to stay safe in uncertain times. Invest wisely and grow your money through compounding. Build multiple incomes for faster progress. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and never give up on your journey. Your financial freedom starts today. The first step is in your hands.